What's the meaning of arts and crafts? Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts. The term arts and crafts generally refers to handmade decorative or functional objects created using traditional skills and materials. This can encompass a wide range of creative activities such as ceramics, textiles, woodworking, metalworking, and glassblowing, among others. The result of arts and crafts often emphasizes quality workmanship and uniqueness over mass production, and may be appreciated for its aesthetic appeal as well as its practicality. Many people enjoy engaging in arts and crafts as a hobby or profession, or simply appreciate their beauty as collectors or enthusiasts.